Now we're going to disassemble both pilots. It should be noted, if it is bottom mounted, this top half will have to be disassembled as well from the reservoir body. If it's back mounted, it should be fine. Now I'm taking the housing off. The spring, which is color coded for the pilots, the red is high pressure. In the back, the low pressure is a blue spring. The O-ring replacement kit. Take the retainer nut off. Now take the lock nut off. This Acme thread within it would be very fine adjustment. The pilot will now drop from the bottom. Now we're going to start on the low pressure by taking the housing off, the blue spring, the O-ring kit. Now we're going to take the retaining nut off. And the lock nut.